Hello, welcome to our channel Discover Scholarly. Today we will learn how to detect the outliers. Sometimes a data set will have one or more observations with unusually large or unusually small values, and these extreme values are called outliers. So there are different methods to detect them. Today we will learn by using the z-score and by plotting the box plot. So let's see. And right now we have the data of 35 managers. So first we will calculate the z-score. For z-score we have the formula of this way. This is the formula for calculating the z-score. So first we need to calculate the mean value, and here the mean is equal to average, and you just need to select the whole data and enter. Now calculate the standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to STDEV. Standard deviation, select all the data and then press enter. So here we have a standard deviation as well. So now we will calculate the z-score. For z-score, equal value, I'm gonna write it in a bracket, value minus mean, bracket close, divided by standard deviation. And as you know that I have to calculate the z-score of all the values, so I need to fix that mean. So select this one and press 4, and similarly for standard deviation, so 4. So now just enter, and now I'm just going to drag it down to the end of my data. So here I have all the z-score, and you can see here that there is no values beyond the -3, and there's only one value which is above the 3. So if you have a mixed data, you just need to select this one, go here, sorting and filter, so just go from the largest to smallest value, expand selection. Okay, so here you can see that there's only one value which is beyond the +3, and if I go to the bottom, so there is no value lower than -3. So here there's only one outlier in this data. So now we will make the box plot. Box plots provide another way to identify the outliers, but they do not necessarily identify the same values as those with the z-score. So either or both procedure may be used. Box plot is a graphical summary of data that is based on 5 number summary. So a key to development of box plot is the computation of median, the quartiles, interquartile range. So now first we will make the box whisker plot. So it looks like in that shape. Calculate the. Now let's make the box whisker plot. So for this purpose we just need to select this data, then go to insert, and then here, now just click here. So here we have the box whisker plot, and before understanding this box whisker plot we need to calculate some summary values. So let me calculate the values. First of all, we need the minimum value, and the minimum value is equal min, and select the range of the data and press enter. So over here we have a minimum value. Now first quartile, Q1 is equal to quartile exclusive, select data, and for first quartile you need to write the 1 after comma and press enter. So here we have a first quartile, then median, and for median is equal to median and gain. Select the data, and here we have the median. Now third quartile is equal to quartile exclusive, and then again select data, comma, and press 3 enter. So here we have a third quartile, and then we need to calculate the interquartile range, and for interquartile range it is equal to q3 minus q1. So enter. So here we have an interquartile range. Now we will calculate the lower and upper limit for the box plot. The lower limit is equal to q1 minus 1.5 into interquartile range. So here we have a lower limit, and for upper limit is equal to third quartile plus 1.5 into interquartile range. Upper limit is equal to 1.5 into interquartile range. So here we have the upper limit and lower limit. So now let's see what's our visualization say. For better understanding, I'm just going to change the scale, axis options, and then for minimum value I will go with the 45. So here we have a better understanding right now, and this is, and again I'm just going to present the data labels here. So that is the data labels. So here you can see that this line is the minimum value, and this line is showing the box. Lower line is showing the first quartile, and the line which is middle of that box, it is the median, and the upper line of this box is the third quartile. And anything beyond these upper limit and lower limit are the outliers. So when we see that our lower limit is 48.45, and there is no values which is lower than this limit, and for upper limit we have a 77.65, and we can see that there are one value 77.5, and other value is 88.3. So in this case these two values, 77.8 and the other one is 88.3, is beyond our upper limit. So these are two outliers in this data. So that's all for today's lecture.